Hey everybody, welcome back to Coffee
Sometimes Tea
with Jen and
Marcelo.
So
All right, so we're gonna pick it up from here. We've been using the Chat GPT-4, that is the paid version. We are now in Copilot, also the paid version. And the reason why is we maxed out, which we did not know. Well, we did, but we thought we had more time. At the moment, Chat GPT-4 has a limit. So if you're exploring your pitches and you're going on and doing a lot of different things, and you find yourself stuck because it says, please come back in 2 hours or whatever the time clock says, excuse me. Then now you're using 3.5. However, you're not able to use the bot. And that's okay. So what we decided was, since we are paying for the Copilot, we opened up Copilot in the Bing. In the upper right corner, I've actually stretched it out. So this way we can tinker with it and see what it could do to generate a pitch. So we started out at the top here. We kind of started the test. I created a 2-line elevator pitch for an event photographer. Great. This was the result. Capture the magic of your moments with precision and flair. Let our lens tell your event story. Elevate your memories with photography. That's extraordinary as your special day. Too long. With the bot, we would way shorten that. But it's asking some questions down here. I don't know if it's going to throw this out into left field. I'm going to push the button. Okay. All right. That's not what I want, but we're going to say...
You're going with the pitches. It's trying to go with pitches.
Right. Events, including weddings, corporate functions, birthday parties, so it's asking a question and it's helping me create the pitch based on this. Let's go for event, and we'll do events, weddings, and corporate functions. Why not? No. I don't like it. I don't like how S is asking these questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to here.
Capture that.
Doesn't let me do here. All right. And the one thing it doesn't do that ChatGPT does, at least not that I can see, and I'm sure if you guys know how to do it, I'll figure it out. I've been playing around with ChatGPT for quite some time and still figuring out all the kinks with Copilot. It does do a good job, but I'm trying to see where... I mean, that's good. Let's give it a thumbs up, see if it does anything. Yeah, I like the answer, but I want to make it short. Here, I'll do this. Save some time. Please, since I don't see a feature for this, please make shorter and catchier. And see what it does. It's all right. Seize the moment with style and photography makes your event unforgettable. Your day captured perfectly. It's okay. It's very generic.
Yeah.
Make more catchy and whimsical for being brandable. All right. We'll see. Snap and whimsy, where every click is a memory, every frame of a story. Oh my gosh, no. Excuse me. Itchy nose.
No.
Seize the moment with style. Let's hit dislike. Well, because you don't give me any options. Give more options. All right. I know some of you are like, it wasn't that bad. Yeah, it wasn't the best either. So
it's not
the following. And when you follow along in the series, you understand why we're frustrated, because we're
Wait to see Chat GPT-4.
wait, we're gonna redo this, by the way. We're just putting this out there for you to show you
It flies right through.
What this is like. I'm sure you've used it, but we really want you to see. We're doing this real time, so you can see, does it work? Does it not work? Make the following more catchy. And when you have tired eyes, you just want to push some buttons and just get to the point.
Right.
And right now, we're not getting there. So let's see what happens. Style in every snap. Unforgettable events, impeccably captured your perfect day, preserved in style. Now, okay, please rewrite with a modern tone and be rhythmic and rhyme. I'm just going to throw it to the wind here. Let's see if it and rhyme. Enter.
Chick clicks that. Whoa, hey. Chick clicks that. Hey, no, it's a girl.
I did not say girl.
Chick clicks that stick.
Your day's tale told in style, snapshots that sing, memories that ring. You know what? I would say forget the first part.
No, you
clicks. No, I would do clicks that stick.
Mm-hmm.
Clicks that stick. Your day's tale told in style, snapshots that sing, memories that ring. I would say clicks that stick, snapshots that sing, memories that ring.
There you go.
Done. Or clicks that stick.
And there's your pitch.
So you could do something like that.
Takes a little longer with this, but
it is a little bit longer. Did kind of get me something. Let's do this and say thank you. Getting closer. Please rewrite with rhythm and style. Oop. Let's see what happens. All right, it's corny. Clicks that charm, tails that sway, and stylish rhythm. Your day we portray. Snapshots, croon, memories in tune. You know, I don't know what this little thing is here.
It's their emojis.
Oh, they're emojis. It's closer. I mean,
it has a camera and a
camera. That wasn't too bad. I still like the first one. Say thank you. Make less silly. I'll go with the clicks that charm, tails that sway, and stylish rhythm. Your day we portray. Snapshots, croon, memories in tune. And we know that there's a lot of people out there that like poetry and some rhythm and stuff. So this might actually work for them. What doesn't work for us might work for you. You're more than happy to take it. And we're going to be covering this more in depth in our school. So make sure you join us. Be sure to like and follow. Give us, comments, and we hope to see you there. And we're going to be doing so much more than this. But it does show you that sometimes through a little bit of struggle, you can get a little bit of substance out of this and spin it and put it into what you need in a crunch. When some things don't work, you're going to have to be able to pivot. So that's what we did here tonight for you. So you could see, things happen, but we were able to kind of get an idea. We are going to redo this video on the next one with the Chat GPT 4.0 with our Pitch Perfect bot. and let's see what that creates. And then you guys can tell us which one did you end up liking.
Right.
At the end, or we're going to do like a quick poll. Tell us which one you preferred.
Right.
And then we'll go from there. So cheers to you. Thank you again. We hope to see you again here soon here at
Coffee.
Sometimes Tea.
Good night, everybody.